Hey guys, this is Chris here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw male pectoral muscles. So a little bit of an anatomy lesson here. We're going to start off with the rib cage, and you're going to start off drawing a line just across the top here, almost kind of like a rectangle, but it's going to have a dip in the middle that kind of goes in, and this is going to be the chest area. And then the pec muscles are going to be actually up here, so you're going to kind of like make it almost like it's a mask, and that would be where the eyes go. But here, you're going to draw an oval that kind of goes down, dips down just like that, and maybe a little bit of a belly button right there, almost to the center, but a little bit underneath where the center is. These are going to be the hips here, so you're just going to draw two lines just like that. And then you got the legs, which would be like, basically I'm just drawing where the bones would be. So it'd be almost just like that. Then if you want to draw on the side, this is where the skin kind of overlaps here. And then make sure that you erase this part here. Once you got that in, that's just basically as a guide to kind of show you where to draw. And it's really helpful to draw in the bones when you're drawing human anatomy first, just so you can kind of get an idea of the structure underneath, which is very important. Then we're going to draw in the muscles here, and that's going to be in the oval area. We're going to start off going across like that, and across like that. And this is going to be like the six-pack here. With the belly button in the middle, we're going to erase this line because it's not really needed anymore, and just kind of make two lines going in, just like that. Now this is the rib cage again, so we're not really going to be needing this line either, because the muscles go all the way up to the pecs at the top. But it's important to know where the rib cage is when you're doing this, so it's important to have that there. The pecs are going to be up here. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line kind of just like following that out. The nipples there, neck, kind of going out like this, arms, and then you don't need this, of course. That's just a guide for you. So you're going to want to erase that up to where the armpits are. And maybe erase a little bit of the middle there, because that's not really important either. And then you got the collarbone. And that's basically how you draw a male pectoral muscle.